Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new personal task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to tap on My Tasks in the bottom row. And then at the bottom left corner, there is a new task. We can tap on it and we can name the task, and it's going to be a private task just for us. So for example, if we have something that we have to do inside the company that we want to remember and want to have in the app as something that we need to do, we can just add it like this. So we can see it, others can't. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.